All right, guys, 2018 Honda Accord. I'm up here visiting my grandma and my grandpa, right? So my grandma took this car to the Honda dealership. They told her she needs a new cabin air filter and it'll be 120 bucks. I said, no, grandma, I do that for you. All right, went to O'Reilly's. I bought a cabin air filter for 20 bucks. There's the part number. You could buy it probably cheaper online, but I leave tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you how you install a cabin air filter on a 18 Honda Accord and up. It's pretty simple, pretty quick. All right, so now we're in the car, right? You got to come over to the passenger side. You got to move grandma's butt warmers and pimp cane out of the way. All right. Now, you're going to want to be able to open the glove. So pop your glove open and let's remove everything inside of that. And just like that, everything has been removed. So the cabin air filter sits behind the glove box, so we're just going to have to dip this down a bit. All right, so the first thing you gotta do is come over here. You see this little tab? All you gotta do is just push it down. Just give it a good push. Oop. There you go. Clips out, right? Now the next thing you gotta do is you gotta squeeze both sides of the glove box at the same time so it could come forward. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. All right, so I just use both my hands. As you look, these are the tabs on both sides. That's what I'm saying. You literally just gotta bend them at the same time so they come out of this groove and that groove. All right, so now we have this box. It says airflow, and inside this box is where your cabin air filter sits. Okay, so if you come look over here, you have a little tab, another little tab. Airflow goes through it into your cabin. Let's just push that tab. And then push that tab. Just pull this in. There you go. Flips out. Now look at that. That's pretty dirty. I guess Honda was right. So let's go ahead and pull it out. And if you look real closely through the dirt, it says airflow and it has an arrow pointing down. So you want to keep in mind that we keep all that when we install the next one. Yeah, let's pull that out. Oh yeah. Grandma should not be breathing that. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. All right, installing the new one, you literally just make sure it says airflow pointing down and you just slide it in. Super simple. You should not be paying Honda 120 bucks if you're well-bodied and abled. You go ahead and you just push these back in to clip them. Simple as that. Look, airflow still pointing down. Ready? Now I'm just gonna close this a little forcefully. You don't have to do it my way. I'm doing it one-handed. Not gonna damage the car. There you go, clipped back in. Now you gotta take this piece right here and you're gonna put it and just go until you hear it click. Once you hear it click in place like that, it's back in. Look at that. See how simple it was? Saved grandma over 100 bucks and a trip to Honda.